crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 8 of Lynn's Soft Squares 25 Days of Advent, counting down to Christmas, right? So, number one, I can't believe it that it's day 8. But at the same time, Lynn has brought so many cool, unique things in her box this year. I am so happy that one of my subscribers suggested that I look at her box. I ended up jumping in with both feet, which is kind of natural. If you follow the channel, you know that's just who I am. But really happy that I've been following Lynn. She's been so much fun to listen to and doing amazing things, right? So, like the light board yesterday or this week, and some of the things that she's given us, and the patterns, and the fact she's just changing out the quilts every day is just crazy to me. I mean, that is more work, guys, than you all probably maybe realize. But she puts a lot of effort into it. So, not as much as me. Sorry, you all still have the same Christmas quilts behind me. Number one, I don't have that many, which is just crazy. But all right, I don't want to rattle on. I do want to get into day 8 and take a look. And let's see what she brought today. And I think this is the plainest that she's given us so far, which is fine because it's all about what's inside, right? All right, so let's take a look. Day 8. Oh my gosh, it is a paper piecing. So she does put a note in every day, and it says B box, which is the 25-day box, day 8. Today is a small project using paper piecing. If you've not tried it yet, this is a great introductory block. If you wish to make more than one, be sure to make copies before you cut it. I will definitely do a scan and cut before I get there, right? Because I definitely may choose. I want to do more. So my advice: make sure you make copies before you do this. Use it any way you like in a quilt block, pillow, table runner, bag, sampler quilt, wall hang. She put wall handing, but she meant wall hanging and more. The daily video will show you how to build this fun heart block. So I am super stoked about that. I have not done paper piecing. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I had Cole's quilts on a while back. He did an amazing Christmas tree quilt, and I wanted to do that, and that's how I kind of connected with him. And then I found a bunch of other stuff that I liked as well. But I actually went out and took his lesson and paid for it to do the paper piecing. It's still hanging up on my board, design board. I have yet to do anything with it because I really do want to do a pillow out of that one. And so I just need to finish that out. I chose some really crazy wild fabrics. But I'm pretty psyched about that. She gave us, it looks like, the fabric that goes with this as well. And so, guys, I've recorded my videos, just so you know, prior to watching Lynn. So I go back and watch Lynn after, but I really want to I want to be able to give you all my full and honest opinion. I paid for this box. This was not gifted to me. I have not personally met Lynn. We've only chatted on when I've been on the chat on her channel, and she has joined mine a few times, but we've not actually really connected outside of that. So I am seeing all of this for the first time. And so, yeah, she did give us, it's meant to be a heart when it's finished out. And it says the heart finishes at 8 inches by 7¼ inches. It is a Moda pattern, apparently. And so this is really awesome and cool. So at the end of the day, that is what the pattern looks like when it's finished. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So she gave us some different reds. And I really like that. So I will definitely be doing this and probably doing more. I could really see doing a cool LGBT out of this, and this doing this red heart, right? But then maybe doing one orange, green, blue, purple. May do it that way, or may just change the colors in here. So I've got something now to help get those creative juices going. So very happy with day 8. Lynn continues to knock it out of the park for me. I am so happy I found her and that I did decide to get her box this year. So guys, if you would, please do those things that make the YouTube happy. For us creators, it means a lot. We continue to grow our subscribers. Please tell your friends, neighbors, and anyone that'll listen about Guys Craft 2 and the things that we're doing. Hit that thumbs up, the bell to be notified each and every time we go post something new or go live, and all those other fun things. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.